My name is Michael. I am an electrical repair person at the Bower. So here at the Bower, we take in donated goods through various streams, and we try to get them into the hands of people that could make the most use out of them. We also work with the community doing repair-related events and offering repair services for things like furniture, bicycles, electronics, appliances. Our typical repair cafe events are free to the public, but there is a sign-up process so that we can have an idea of who's coming by and what kind of items they're bringing with them. Today we are doing a paid repair workshop program. This is partly in consideration of the fact that these repairs will be something a little more intensive, require a little bit more work, require purchasing extra parts or repairing parts. A lot of the repair cafes and similar organizations run events that are community-based. So probably one of the best ways to find out what you've got available in your community is to just do a search on social media or search for events happening in your community. You'll likely find some resources, and you can usually reach out to find more details through those social media avenues with those organizations.